Alright, people, I am doing a tutorial sort of thing for how to take this thingy apart. It's pretty much what you want to do is you just want to get whatever you can for this little hole and just push it out. Go to the other side, take it out, and just make sure you don't lose it, because that's what keeps it locked on. And without it, you know what happens when you don't have it on. When you fire it, it comes off. Uh-oh. Yeah. One of the parts flew off. Anyways. So that's how you get it off. And then that part that fell off, you just push in and it comes off. But don't do it like I did. Make sure you do it slow and don't let it go, because this piece will go flying. It is small and it will be hard to find if you do lose it. And then you can just take this part out, which is the pressure, causes the pressure. And then here's the other part. If you want to do that, you're going to have to bend this a little. It clicks on, and you can put that down somewhere. There's a spring for the cock back and such. Here's what pushes in the little BB, and then this is the tube that it fires out of. And then all you have to do to get it back to normal is put it all back together. It clicks on right there. This parts get complicated because of this spring and doesn't want to let it in. And it clicks right back in. Back to this. Oh. Make sure that's like that, otherwise it won't be able to put the pressure and lock it and whatnot. You gotta make sure that this prongy thingy right there is face up when you put it back in. And then just a little tip, you will have to push this back so it can make a clear hole for this. And then that's how you take it apart and put it back together. There you go. Please subscribe. You'll be the only one. It'll be just me and you, but it'll be fun.